Abre on. Ani ikan iba mutala ten. Sain amuta ten. Ila bulo iba mutala ten. Can talk.
Yeah. Thank you very much. I just received the check for the borehole, which was at least sponsored by Mr. Cisse.
Gum
Property, 23,150 on behalf of the management of the hospital. I am saying a very big thank to the Gum Property to Mr. Cisse. Definitely this would have covered a lot at the hospital. At the moment now, water is a problem at that place now, simply because of the rash wind which have been blown and blow of the tank. No water has been existing, neither flooding in the hospital. But thanks to Mr. Cisse and Gum Property, now we're going to recover it. We're going to receive this check, and immediately actions will be taken, and you will follow through. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Alhamdulillah. Thank you very much, Marianne. We are happy to see you here today. And also my brother, Sir Mustafa. These are the two people responsible working for this hospital. They are doing a lot for the hospital and for the community. Thank God that they have built a tank here for the water system for the hospital. So unfortunately, during the rain season we are in, the rain had fall everything down. You have seen the old ones down there. Luckily, we can say thank to the Gum Property. They came here for a visit. They have a property here. When they came here for visit, they came to the hospital. They found that this thing is broken. Everything is fall down. So luckily, they promised that they're going to prepare it for us. And thank God, today we are happy seeing the tank is already built and is already put it up. And now we are just waiting to supply the water, and the hospital will also benefit out from it. This Gum Property, the owner of Gum Property is Usman Cisse. Usman Cisse, thank you very much for your assistance. Whoever is behind you, we thank them on behalf of the hospital. And the Marian is here, and the brother is here who are responsible for the hospital. I can just give them whatever they have for you people. Thank you very much. And whatever you have to thank the donors also, you are welcome. Thank you very much.